Are we on the air? Great. Good day, New Outlook productivities and content creators. I am Teresa Sires, your Microsoft 365 news anchor. Just in, something big is stirring in the world of Microsoft 365. For many months, users have been frustrated with Microsoft for removing the beloved Send to OneNote button. It has been buried where people couldn't find it, vanished without a trace. And recently, a formal retired announcement and mourned by many OneNote fans. But today, I discovered something unexpected right here. Do you see it? In my new Outlook ribbon. Cameraman, can you zoom in on it for me? Oh my, the new OneNote send button, it's back. The send to OneNote button is back. You can easily send to OneNote again. And here is the reaction from around the world from the IT community. Now, go work your magic.